Hey kiddos, today we are going to talk about reading some data in a table. So I made up a little table here, and it's all about beans and the length of beans. And I'm going to be honest, I made them up because I don't know how long any of these beans are supposed to be. So I said green beans are 4 inches. IN is the abbreviation for inches. Pinto beans are 5.5 inches. Lima beans are 4.5 inches, and giant beans are 11 inches. Again, I just made those numbers up, so they're probably not right, but we're going with this. So if I look at my data, I want to find the shortest or the minimum. Minimum is shortest bean. So I'm going to look here, which one is the shortest, and I see the green bean is the shortest. Okay, then if I want to find the longest, or the maximum length, I'm going to look through here and find which is the longest. It's the giant bean. So that would be the maximum. Now there's one other thing I want to show you, one other term. Find the difference. The difference between, oops, having trouble spelling today. Between shortest and longest. So, I have to go back and I have to look. What is the shortest? The shortest is the green bean. That's at 4. And the longest is at 11. So the difference between them, usually we use subtraction. So what my subtraction problem would be is 11 minus 4 equals, and when I think that out, I can think, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7. So the difference between the shortest and the longest is like a subtraction problem. Now go ahead and finish the butterfly questions in the following slides.